Discover the joy of music with the Everjoy Soprano Ukulele Beginner Pack 21-inch, designed to introduce aspiring musicians to the enchanting world of ukuleles. There are many products available to choose ukuleles, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best ukuleles from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Dana Concert Ukulele Beginner Mahogany. The Dana Concert Ukulele Beginner Mahogany is a top choice for both novice and advanced players. This 23-inch ukulele features a durable premium mahogany body, delivering a crisp, pleasant sound. The well-polished rosewood fingerboard, smooth bridge, and 18 rounded brass frets ensure comfortable playing. The high-density bone nut and saddle, paired with polished tequila carbon nylon strings, produce a warm, rich sound with clear resonance and sustain. The kit includes a ukulele padded gig bag, strap, tuner, extra tequila nylon strings, picks, and a cleaning cloth, making it an ideal gift. The gig bag, designed in a backpack style with 2 padded straps and an exterior pocket, offers convenience and protection. Additionally, the ukulele comes with professional free online lessons for beginners. The patented chrome-plated guitar-style tuners ensure accuracy and ease of tuning. Weighing only 2.87 pounds, this ukulele is easy to handle. With a customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars, it's a highly rated best-selling instrument. Number 2. Everjoy Soprano Ukulele Beginner. Discover the joy of music with the Everjoy Soprano Ukulele Beginner Pack 21-inch, designed to introduce aspiring musicians to the enchanting world of ukuleles. This comprehensive starter kit includes everything you need to start playing right away. A 21 soprano ukulele crafted from basswood with a solid wood neck and blackwood fingerboard, ensuring superior quality and durability. Its vibrant rainbow-colored strings not only add a playful touch, but also aid in learning by associating colors with notes, making the learning process enjoyable and effective. Ideal for beginners. The kit comes complete with a digital tuner for precise tuning, a comfortable strap, a handy how-to-play songbook, spare picks and strings, a microfiber polishing cloth, and a convenient gig bag for easy transportation. Whether you're learning solo or with friends, this ukulele promises a smooth learning curve and a delightful musical journey without the need for costly lessons. Embrace the melodic spirit of the Hawaiian Islands and unleash your musical talent with the Everjoy Soprano Ukulele Beginner Pack. Number 3. Soprano Ukulele for Beginner. The AODSK Soprano Ukulele for Beginner is a perfect 21-inch instrument designed for budding musicians of all ages. Crafted with exquisite production technology, it features a smooth sapel wood body that delivers a crisp, pleasant sound. The polished rosewood fingerboard and bridge, along with a meticulously finished fret, ensure comfortable playability and durability. This ukulele produces a warm, rich sound, thanks to a sapel top body and neck, combined with a high-end resin nut and saddle, and 4 polished carbon nylon strings for clear, beautiful resonance. The comprehensive ukulele kit includes a gig bag, strap, tuner, extra nylon strings, picks, cleaning cloth, and an accessories storage bag, meeting all the needs of a beginner. The padded gig bag with shoulder straps and an exterior pocket ensures easy and safe transport. Weighing just 14.4 ounces, it's easy to handle, making it a wonderful gift for holidays and special occasions. Backed by high-quality after-sales service, this ukulele is a top choice for beginners. Number 4. Kids Guitar Ukulele. The Kids Guitar Ukulele is a delightful musical instrument designed specifically for toddlers. Crafted from environmentally friendly ABS plastic and featuring 4 durable carbon nylon strings, this 17-inch ukulele ensures safety and durability for little hands. Its lightweight design and compact size make it easy for young children to carry and play, stimulating their musical development and creativity. This beginner-friendly ukulele toy offers a realistic playing experience, perfect for nurturing early musical interests. Children can learn basic notes, rhythmic patterns, and strumming techniques, making it an excellent educational tool. Parents will appreciate the interactive aspect, enjoying quality time teaching their kids about music. Ideal for children aged 1 to 3, this sturdy and tunable mini guitar is an excellent introduction to the world of music. It makes a perfect gift for birthdays, Christmas, or parties, encouraging auditory skills and creativity in young musicians. Weighing just 7.2 ounces, it's a highly rated choice in musical instruments. Number 5. Pumekai Soprano Wood Ukulele Starter Ukulele Guitar. The Pumekai Soprano Wood Ukulele Starter Ukulele Guitar is a top choice for students and beginners. This 21-inch brown ukulele features superior quality craftsmanship with a body made from high-quality solid basswood, providing a bright and distinctive tone. The 12 nickel silver frets on a blackwood fingerboard are accurately positioned for easier playing, making it ideal for beginners. It comes with advanced nylon strings known for their stability and durability, ensuring a full-bodied sound perfect for traditional Hawaiian music. The ukulele's string height at the 12th fret is optimally set to reduce finger pressure, promoting happy playing and easier tuning. Weighing just 1.46 pounds and measuring 20.6 x 6.4 x 2 inches, it is lightweight and portable. This ukulele set includes a gig bag, making it a wonderful gift for anyone looking to start their musical journey. Rated 4.4 out of 5 stars by 5,495 customers, it stands as a highly recommended product in its category. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any king of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more